In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images, logo, icons from Figma design template. We'll walk through the exact export workflow so you can quickly grab the assets you need at the right quality and format. Start by opening your design in Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure the file is loaded and you can see your canvas and the right-hand properties panel. Everything we'll do happens there. Next, select the element you want to download. This can be an image, an icon, or a full frame. Click directly on it on the canvas. If you are having trouble selecting the exact item, glance at the Layers panel to confirm you've got the correct layer highlighted. The name shown at the top of the Properties panel is the one that will be exported. So it's worth double-checking you have the precise element you want. Now, look to the right-hand Properties panel and scroll to the very bottom until you find the Export section. Click the plus button next to Export to create an export setting for your selected layer. If you don't see Export, it usually means nothing is selected yet, so reselect your element and try again. Configure your export settings before you download. For format, pick PNG or JPG for standard images. Choose SVG for logos and icons that need to stay crisp at any size. Or pick PDF for documents or vectors you plan to share or print. PNG supports transparent backgrounds, which is helpful for logos over different backgrounds. JPG is great for photos where small file size matters. SVG keeps vector shapes sharp and editable in other tools. Set the scale next. Choose 1x degrees Fahrenheit or regular resolution, or 2x and 3x for higher resolution outputs, which are ideal for high-density displays. Keep in mind that higher scales increase file size. If your selection is vector-based, scaling up preserves quality. If it's a raster image, scaling beyond its original resolution won't add detail. Add a suffix if you want to organize versions, such as naming variations or resolution tags. Consistent suffixes make files easier to track, especially when exporting multiple sizes. When everything looks right, click the Export button labeled with your layer's name. Figma will generate the file using your chosen format, scale, and name, and prompt you to save it to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.